They're doing karaoke. Our marketing can drive karaoke.
Good morning! Oh my god, we have to do karaoke?
Well, we don't have to do karaoke.
But we have to go to the karaoke one. Andrew and I left our seminar and now are walking north because we just didn't understand it. It was like, I don't even know what he was talking about. So now we're walking, we're gonna go to the Stratosphere and the Little White Chapel for fun. And I saw a pigeon and then I didn't have my camera. And there's a really creepy clown from Circus Circus. So let's see what we find. We made it into the Stratosphere. Hey, let's go to this private event.
Okay.
We have tags on, they probably think we're but now we're gonna go up to the top, I think. That's the theater. Oh yeah, tower entrance over there. You have to pee before we go to the top?
But there's a thing up there.
Yeah. Why not pee on the top of the world? We're not allowed to go to the top. That's a bummer.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go to these shops instead.
Those are at least satisfying games.
Right? Look at that one. That one's so scary. Oh, that thing is really creepy. I don't like that. What?
Why is there Chicago police?
What the? If you're gonna have the world's largest gift shop, then you gotta have like
Chicago police car.
yeah. My camera's attached to my other hand. We're in the world's largest gift store, which I don't believe because Waldrug is bigger than this. But we're looking around, seeing if we can find anything. I'm not probably pointing you at me very well. Hey! We found our desert oasis. Melly is meeting DJ Casper while we wait. So now I'm waiting for him to be done. And we learned 2 new line dances in that seminar, and it was slightly disorganized, but what are you gonna do? Yeah, what, like the convention center. Yeah. We're headed to the Hoover Dam.
We're about to fill our stomachs first.
Oh yeah, we have to eat. I'm so hungry.
I hope I reminded you of that.
Yeah, no. And when Melly gets hungry, he gets hangry, which I like because I get hangry too. Now we're gonna go meet Andrew. We came to Little City Grill in Boulder City on our way to the Hoover Dam. And we're gonna have a little city grilled salmon and cod. And then we're gonna go see the Hoover Dam. What are you getting?
I don't know. I better make it good or big.
If you ever, I need to get in this light, get to Boulder City, you gotta go to Little City Grill. That place is the bomb. Watch out, Andrew, there's a car. And now we're trying to leave, and now we're gonna go see the Hoover Dam in the dark. In the morning when I ask a lot of questions, are you annoyed by that?
If I
the Riviera. That's where we're staying.
You asked it twice.
Oh, that guy was really funny.
Why you not buy anything? It's all shit.
Why you not buying none of our shit?
Check your bag. Mystery.
Oh, we're gonna go past your favorite lady.
Oh, the
El Diablos.
yeah. You think she's in hell? She is. I better do something bad.
New York, New York. We made it back from the Hoover Dam. We didn't even get to really see the front part of it, which is the coolest part, so we'll have to look it up online today. Tonight, I mean. Yeah, building sounds fine. We can videotape that. Just so you know. What was I saying? Oh yeah, we went and saw the Hoover Dam, but Melly didn't get to see it, so we'll have to look up pictures online.
Yeah.
And now we're debating whether or not we want to stay up late because I'm super tired and my legs are so sore from yesterday.